Hello guys! So, dito na sa bahay. Nakaligo na. It's fresh. Dahil may games kami for tonight. Ayan. Naglalaro kami dito guys. Kahit pang bata lang siya, nakakapikon siya. Yan, ito siya guys. Bumili ako ng laruan sa Shein. Kahit pang bata siya guys, nakakagulat. Lalo na kapag focus na focus ka. Ayan. Nakakawala siya ng pasensya. Lalo na kung maliit lang ang pasensya mo, walang-wala ka na ng pasensya. Seryoso, may sige, i-focus mo lang. Marunong to guys, si Teletubbies, naalala niyo siya. Ayan, oh. Galing! Kordapya! Galing niya. Yan. So, laro-laro muna kami habang hinihintay namin yung sisters. Diba? So, yun ako. Ito, nagmamaganda muna. Napipikon ako sa larong yun kasi mababaw lang yung pasensya ko, guys. Hindi ako ganun kahaba na pasensya. Lalo na kapag galing ka sa work or masakit niya. Napipikon siya, guys. Lalo na kapag masakit pa yung paa mo, nagaling ka sa work. Tignan nyo, guys. Masakit. Yan ba? Yan. Ganyan lang. Sakit ko siya, guys. Tapos hanggang dito sa sa legs, diba? Nagmumura na siya sa sa Ines. Napipikon na siya, guys. So, let's try. Magta-try pa ako. Diyos mio pulgoso. Ang baba lang ng pasensya ko. Oh my God. Ay! Diba? Kaka-start lang eh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kakapasok ko lang and then sira. Ay my gosh. Ano to? Ay my gosh. Pasmado talaga yung Siguro kung nagda-drive ako, ilang basag na yung yung sasakyan ko. Nanginginig din kasi yung kamay ko, guys. Actually, ay my gosh. Kasi actually, guys, di ako palalaro ng ano ba to? Yung parang mahaba yung pasensya. Like puzzle, scramble egg. Ano kasi yun, Jonilyn? Ano kasi yun, yung mga words na kailangan buuin? Scrabbles? Oh, ganun. Puzzle. Ano pa ba? Yung something missing. Yung kailangan mo rin siyang, alinang naiiba. Yung ganun. Parang ang liit ng pasensya ko sa mga ganun. O, diba? So, let's come back to me, guys. Ano tayo? Manonood tayo ng TV. So, ganito ginagawa ko kapag nasa bahay na. Minsan, more on cellphone muna before open the TV. Ganon. So, ngayon, ayaw pa mag-open ng TV. Bakit kaya? Ba't saan gumana yung TV? Saan gumana yung TV? Sira yung remote? Ganito rin ako guys. Kababaw na pasensya. Konting lang, tatanong ko. May bubuklot. Yung TV. Makasaksak ko.
Makasarayo.
Ay, liway pala. O, diba? Tangal lang, guys. Inopen ko pa yung takip ng remote. Iba naman pala yung naka-open. My gosh. So, yan. Ito yung room namin ngayon. Kasi nung nakaraan, naglipat-lipat kami ng ibang gamit. And then, so, lahat ng mga laman ng cabinet, na dami-dami kong damit, na prank ako, guys. Na-prank ako sa prank na yon, nawala yung marami kong damit na hindi ko kayang i-let go. And then, na-let go din sila. So, what to do? So, ang gamit na lang namin is this one that we cannot remove the medicine, the vitamins that we need to drink for everyday routine. Yes, and then our small refrigerator. Then, I have a new flowers. See? Yeah. We bought this, guys. We bought. Yeah. And then, of course, we have the Bible. Okay, we have the motivation books, for the attitude books, character that you need to change, and then the Buddha, and then of course money. We are ready the money here because we are buying something, we are waiting for the orders. And then this one we bought in the IKEA for the shoes. Maybe you're asking what is inside here. Shoes, sandals like this. Yeah, it's so very very cute, guys, but I think you cannot use only for the shoes or sandals. You can use also for the other booting things, small things. It's up to you. Yeah. And then here the bags that it's not a branded, but it's only like a class A like that. Yeah, see? Yeah. Then meron pa kaming diffuser dyan, pampabango sa door. Gusto namin pag open namin ng door, it's so mabango. But it's already finished. So, I did not yet change this one. Later on, we will change. Yeah, so, let's go. Network error. Wala tayong internet. We are poor na ba? Laming internet, guys. Meron. Hintay lang. May sumisilip. Kilala niyo ba to, guys? Our favorite cookies. Ben's Cookies. Yeah. Then my phone, it's only there. Yeah. So, let's watch na, guys. Then, ito, while waiting, because our network, Wi-Fi, it's not too fast. Yeah, we are waiting. You know what kind of movie that I'm watching when I'm here at home, guys? Actually, it's not a movie. It's a news. 24 oras, and then TV Patrol. Sometimes I finish already 24 oras. When I miss TV Patrol, I will watch TV Patrol. Because sometimes, I know mostly they are the same news, but they are not the same how it will be the detailed. Sometimes detailed, it's mostly in the TV Patrol. And then sometimes in 24 oras. Yeah. Because, I don't know, I'm like that. I want it's all detailed because I want the real situation that, malalaman ko kung paano nangyari, kung kailan, yun, guys, diba? Pasensya na rin kayo sa guys, sa English, Tagalog, Kapampangan, ang gulo-gulo kasi. It's like how mess my mind. Eto na, nanonood na ako ng nito, 24 oras. The problem is mahina yung internet namin. Ay, nangangat yung ilok ko, guys. Natok na ako, guys. But I need to eat. I need to eat before sleep. Hello, Teletubbies. What are you finding there? Miss Danya, guys. Nagulat siya. Ayan, see? I told you. By the way, guys, it's my favorite Alice Go. Before, the Chinese with the boat. Yung naglalaban yung Pilipinas tsaka sa boat. Sabi ko pa noon, guys, bakit kasi di bumili ng bangka yung Pilipinas? Ang liit na ng bangka. And then, sabi ni Teletubbies, do you think it's not expensive? It's only like that? Really? And then I feel so, really? Because I don't know much in the Philippines, like the history like that. Tagalog na nga. Kasi, nung nag-aaral ako, guys, di ako nakikinig. I am always thinking my makeup, my boyfriend. I need to go outside. I will go for a date. And then my baon, of course. Tapos, ano pa bang iniisip ko? I will go home. After that, I will change my clothes. I will go to coffee shop. I will go to the mall. It's like that, guys. But, of course, now I'm thankful that I learned how to talk English. And then I came here in abroad. I reached here in Dubai that most people they are dreaming to go to Dubai. Yeah, I'm so thankful about that. But now my idolize no, I am the number one fan of Alice Go. Oh, sige na guys. Thank you.
Bungi-bungi ang kwento sa
Ay, Teletubbies!
lumabas ang bansa,
Bakit ka nagbihesan ka pupunta?
Mayor Alice at West
We will
Timor.
just sleep, guys. You change your clothes.
Sila lumabas sinundo sa farm sa Tarlac. At sabi lang niya,
What are you doing?
nagpaipat-ipat sila ng bangka.
Dito lang po kasi galing kami
She's
sa-
very shy in front of the
sa
camera.
bahay. Tapos may suntok
But
sa
me
amin at
always
isang
dancing in the
sasakyan.
camera, guys.
Ang klaseng sasakyan. Van. And then sa
Syempre, naturuan na sila sa sa lawyer.
Ay kami ng
Or,
ilang oras.
Ilang
Ilan
minutes
daw
po?
kayo sa van?
syempre,
Tatlo po.
hindi sila magsasabi ng
Kami
totoo.
tatlo.